Welcome back. So today we have Harbor Freight's weekend sale coming up Friday, February 21st through Sunday, February 23rd. And it's the all-time coveted free bucket. Now I've gotten their free bucket, only one, so I could use a second one. And they're really nice buckets, I'm not gonna lie. I never thought I'd fox over a bucket, but these buckets are nice. So let's go over the deals and then we'll look at some of the recommendations so you could get the best use of the deal. So there is two options. If you're not an ITC member, there's no coupon required. Go in the 21st through the 23rd and you can get a free bucket with a purchase of $29.99 purchase or more, of course. So 3 days only while supplies last. Limit one free bucket per customer per day. Automatic discount applied at registered while supplies last. Tools and lid sold separately. So think about it. Maybe you buy the lid. I didn't think about that. Lid not included. So just be wary. And then for ITC members, free bucket with any purchase. Any purchase. So probably not so much for the non-ITC members, but you could, if you're ITC, you could get the bucket with a lid. And it's essentially the same wording, free bucket, one free bucket per customer, automatic discount applied at register while supplies last, tools and lids sold separately, 21st. So we'll start off with the lid. It's $2.99. So it doesn't qualify for the $29, $29.99 or more technically, but if you're an ITC member and you want a bucket with a lid, this seems to fit the marks. Get your lid, get your bucket, and you're set. So great choice for ITC if you're looking to get the whole kit, the bucket and the lid. But of course, again, this is more for ITC. You have your dollar days going on, and actually, there is this 20% off all fasten strong fasteners. I don't know if you could combine it, but I feel like when they give you a limit on what to spend, and since this free bucket isn't a coupon, it automatically gets taken care of at the cash register. If you're looking for some all fasten strong fasteners at 20% off and you're going in for this deal, which also goes on through March 2nd, then you can purchase these depending if you're ITC or not. And at that point, you can get a discount when you're already going in for something. But if not, you have an option of the dollar days. So you can get something a little bit more practical. Some good options for the dollar days. You can get a Phillips screwdriver, maybe a socket rail, some diagonal cutters, reach, pickup and reach tool, which is amazing. The magnetics parts holders are always clutch. Some Grants microfiber towels for $2. Can't go wrong with getting any of those if you're looking for the best, one of the best deals. And I forget, we've done this a few times. The one that always comes to mind if you're looking for the lowest priced item, get the 69-cent, very nicely priced 7-inch carpenter's pencil. Take that, you'll get your free bucket for 69 cents. So always a great option. If you're not ITC and you want to purchase something, the other ones that I recommend, of course, I mean, there's some discounts on these here and there. Mostly it's for the any single items, 15% off, 20% off, but those only happen a few times throughout the year. But if you want to get it, if you want to get the free bucket, why not take this moment to splurge on the icon locking flex head ratchet and bit set, the mini meme tool ratchet. It's amazing. Wouldn't be the worst thing to go in and get one of these and to get a bucket. You have my blessing. So this is a great option to spend the $29 or $29.99 or more, or the Gordon 20-in-1 multi-tool, also $39.99. Now this is if this is available in your store, because these have sold out, I think, at all my stores pretty frequently. They never seem to be in stock. So this would be, even if you're getting a free bucket or not, if you see this, you should definitely get this if it's available. And that's what I have. Free bucket, $29.99 or more for anybody. Free bucket with any purchase if you're ITC. Get the pencil if you're looking for the least. If you're looking for something that makes sense, get the $3 lid and get your bucket. If you're going in and you want to splurge a little bit and you need to spend more than $29, might as well get the flex head icon little mini ratchet or the Gordon multi-tool, but definitely a bunch of options to get. I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Let me know what you're going to use to get your free bucket. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.